Hi everyone. Our topic is mining Amazon customer reviews for additional product specifications. Amazon is host to thousands of products on its website, and for each of these products, there exist so many reviews that a user would have to go through before he or she makes a decision on whether to buy the product or not. Since reviews come in all shapes, sizes, and forms, it's a very cumbersome operation for the user to go through each and every one of them. So we have decided to make this process a lot more easier by using methods of abstractive and extractive summarization in order to summarize our review text. And this would help the user go through reviews faster and thereby make quicker decisions on whether he wants to buy the product or not. The data that we have used is 2 GB worth of Amazon customer reviews data, and we have cleaned and pre-processed this data on PySpark. And the pre-processed data consists of the review text as well as the gold standard summary text, which we will be using as the training examples for our abstractive and extractive summarizer. Let me explain the workflow of our application. From the front end, there is a Chrome extension which turns on when it goes to the review section of the Amazon product. Now, when the user wants to get the summary, he will just have to click on a button and the review text gets passed as in real time as the test example for our model. And once the model predicts this, it will throw out the results for the user to see in another page. Now, as I'm going through this demo, I'd just like to talk about two models of summarization that we have used: abstractive and extractive summarization. Abstractive summarization is where the vocabulary of the summary is not constrained to the existing vocabulary that we have, which means that words could be replaced by their synonyms even if they were not present in the vocabulary, for example. Extractive summarization, on the other hand, poses a constraint that the summaries that are generated must conform to the vocabulary of our training set. The hardware that we have used is we're using NVIDIA Tesla K80 GPU, and we have hosted our server on the Google Cloud. And as we switch it on, we have written the server side script on Flask. Now the user goes to Amazon and types the name of the product that he wants to search for. And once he clicks it, he will go to the See All Review section. And at this time, our Chrome extension, which is highlighted on blue. Now let me just pause it for a second to. Now as you notice, you can see there are a lot of text which is colored in blue. This is to indicate to the user that this will be the review text which is sent to our summarizer at the time of testing. So when the user clicks get review summary, there would be a REST API call that is made to our Flask API, which actually encompasses all these reviews in the form of a JSON file, a JSON body. And once the summaries are ready, you will see that a list of extractive as well as abstractive summaries, which are shown here. You can see that it has learned a lot of content from our data, and it's kept the same vocabulary. In the case of abstractive summaries, you can see that although it has not perhaps learned the summaries as well, it has definitely learned a few words like printer and Epson, cartridges, and so on, which shows that there is scope of improvement, but still the results are quite promising. Right, thank you.